Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. TikTok is an online app that allows people to share their everyday life through short videos. But TikTok can also be used for more interesting features, such as duets. Moreover, the recent updates in TikTok have a green screen feature, where you can make TikTok duets with yourself on the foreground of the video. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a green screen duet on TikTok. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, select the videos that the creators have allowed to make duets with. Otherwise, you cannot make a green screen duet on TikTok. Once you have chosen the video, tap on the share icon located on the right side of the screen. Now, from the options that come up, look for the duet option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Here, you can see lots of options to edit the video, but to use the green screen effect, tap on the layout from the right side of the screen, which has a grid logo. From here, look for the green screen and tap on it, and green screen will be activated. Now, record yourself using a green screen and post it on your TikTok account. So, this is how you use a green screen on your duet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to use green screen duet on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.